Yo, what's up, chat? Wait.
Why is my screen not on?
Wait. I'm fixing, I swear, wait. Wait. I fix. Oh my god, wait. Yo, what's up, chat? How we doing?
Hello, everyone.
It's
We're
another
back at
day. We're back at it. We're so back, chat. Let's go.
We did not go live yesterday, but today we go live.
Yeah.
Yes,
what a beautiful day to be alive.
I think we should not be thinking too much about it and just start.
Yeah, I agree. You can see, chat, I have subscriber count here.
Yeah, we're almost reaching 100k, guys.
Yeah, we gotta reach that, chat. Make your mom subscribe, chat. Come on. I think it's
subscribe.
so excited for the tour.
Yeah,
we announced a tour, chat. We're going on tour. Another one. It's
just a small one, though.
It's the Wipeout tour. And
Georg. No.
What's happening?
Georg is attacking the cable that connects the mouse.
Bro, what the flippity? What the flip, bro? Are you ready?
Georg. Yeah, I already started.
Alright, let's go, Chatarinos. We're gonna beat it this time, right?
Yeah, I think so.
Oh my god, what
Georg?
Yeah, if you have not been following along, we have been trying to beat Minecraft. In hardcore.
Yeah, if we die, we die.
Yeah. And it is a lot harder than you think, chat. I learned to pronounce something better and make covers, I promise. Thank you. I'll kill you.
Stop this.
Oh my god. Hello, friend in water. Water friend. Hello. Oh my god.
Okay.
Lock the brick in. Yes, thank you. Yeah, we're gonna lock in right now. I think that's very something we might use. I don't know.
If I stop moving, that's because Georg has destroyed the cable.
Bro, your cat is literally the craziest, bro.
He's crazy.
He's the silliest cat of all. He's never been like a normal cat. He's never like, oh my god, I'll just chill. He's always like, bro, let me destroy something.
He's very energetic.
Yes.
Georg, no, Georg, stop this. Oh my god, Georg. Yeah, come. Perfect.
Oh my god.
Can I do some cable management?
Yeah. 100k. Almost there, chat. Almost there. Oh my god, another day, another Minecraft. You know how it is? Chat, do you think we will beat them today? I'll try my best at least. You say no. Chat, will we beat Minecraft? I don't know.
One day. I think one day we will.
Yes. I have a lot of wood. Matti, why? Can you just put your cat in another room?
No, I'm not gonna lock my cat in. Are you crazy?
Yeah, maybe that's crazy. I don't know. Okay, I'm getting stone.
Okay, perfect. Like this. Yeah, go get stone. Get pickaxe.
Yes, sir. Wait, we need about 400 subs. I know, chat. I know. This is crazy.
That's what I'm saying. That's why we put the counter up, because it's so small.
It's like we're almost there, you know. The closest we've ever been. Before end of May, come on. I'm getting stoned! That's me. What day are you guys arriving in Vienna? Oh my god, it's Jay.
Hey, kill!
Matti, when will you arrive? 14th or something?
Yeah, I'm not sure.
Yeah.
Something like that.
We're gonna go crazy, not gonna lie. Wait. Whip, plop. Alright. Let me do some pickaxerino. Like this. And I'll do this, and 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 then a little bit of this, and then a little bit of this, and a little bit of this.
You make a sword for me?
And we do this, and we do this. Here you go. And then we do a little bit of this, and a little bit of this, and this. Lock the brick in Brickland support, thank you! Means the world to me, chat. Means the world. You know how it is. Alright, let's go to mines. Come on.
We need food, hold on. We will starve, okay?
Yeah, follow me. This direction. I found cave.
A cow.
No, I did not. I thought so. Oh, you were the one who's saying, give me more in Q&A. Let's go, chat. Let's go.
Let's find... Okay, let's just look for a cave and kill every animal we see.
Every single one?
No, not the fox. I cannot kill him. He's so cute.
Damn. Damn, bro. Okay. Alright. Come on, Matti, come on. Oh my god, fox! That's crazy.
Where is civilization?
Let's go for Here Comes the Sun with Beatles. That's a banger. Matti, where are you, Matti?
Yeah. Bro, are you not following me? I've been running very far.
Okay, I'll follow. I'll follow the thing. No worry. Brr. Bing bong, blickety blong. Let me see. Why is there stone everywhere? I don't get. Moss.
Are you coming in my direction or?
Yes. I'm coming in your direction, no worry. Stream is lagging. No! That's tragic.
Why is it lagging?
I don't know. Okay, bye guys, see you next week. Hell yeah! Hell yeah,
Okay,
ducks!
Okay. Piggy, come here, piggy.
I am coming to you. I see your name tag. This is the run, chat. This is the run.
You said that for every run.
Yeah, but I know this will be the one.
Okay, we don't have enough for beds, so we'll have to improvise there.
Yeah, that's okay. I have 2 wool.
Okay, this is a very bad place. I think we should create a boat and just find a better place.
Or we just walk in this direction, bro. Right? Because we only need like 1 cave.
No, hold on, we need better cave. We need more better.
Alright, here's boat.
Create boat.
Yes. Alright. Let's go adventure time. I drive.
Yes.
Come on.
Yeah.
Get in.
Where are you? Oh.
Alright, chat, go crazy. We boat, guys in boat. Oh my god, this is crazy. Holy guacamole.
Yeah, this is Ass Island. Why are you screaming?
What do you mean?
Why are you screaming?
Because
man?
both guys in boat, you know. It's rare event.
Ah, I get you.
Track 14 mentioned. Yes, sir. Oh my god. This is wild. Yeah, I don't see anything on the horizon.
Yeah, just keep on going.
Alright. Blip blop, double boat,
Keep
thank
on
you.
going.
Alden's going crazy core, thank you.
Imagine we find like a big cave, you know. You will be so happy.
Maybe we do, I don't know.
Maybe we do, maybe we don't.
Yeah, that is true.
That's the life of Minecraft.
It is really. Can I go faster in boat if I press something? No. My stream glitch, I didn't see boat. No! This is not the life count. Oh, wait. Is the life count not working?
What?
Maybe it's not working.
What? How? Is it not working?
I don't know. Oh, wow, yeah, now it's working. Wait.
Oh, yeah, wow, yeah. Mine, if I open it here, I see another number than you see.
Yeah, wait. I'm gonna put it somewhere where it doesn't bother me, you know. I'll put it here. And little bit of this. Yes, perfect, perfect, perfect. Now I can see. Now it's really live, I think. Chat, you can test it. Try unsubscribe and subscribe. Or just unsubscribe if you're feeling like that.
Why are you telling people to unsubscribe?
I don't know. I'm just seeing if the live count works or not. Oh my god, it works! Oh my god, let's go,
Nice.
chat, let's go. Live subscribe.
Where is...
Bro, I'm not seeing anything.
Nope. Oh yeah, there it is.
Where?
Mushroom Island. But that's probably bad.
Wait, I don't see anything.
Mushroom Island.
Mushroom Island. Chat, should we go on Mushroom Island?
No. Adam, we have to keep going. There is night.
Mushroom Island. But
Bro, we're trying to beat Minecraft, not explore Minecraft.
Mushroom Island. Oh my god,
It's
Matti,
not...
you know what's here?
Mm.
Do you know what this is?
What is what?
This is the underwater cave. No, not underwater cave. Oh my god.
Oh
this
yeah,
thing.
oh yeah, go. We don't need to go there.
There is so much gold there, by the way. If we ever want.
Bro, we will die.
And you have, wait, they say mushroom, go to mushroom song. You have infinite soup if you go there.
But is there a cave there?
Why should there not be cave?
Because it's a mushroom.
Hmm.
Oh wait, hold on, wait, I fell out.
Alright, go back in. Come on. Okay, let's check it out. I think that's the only
What is
path we
there?
have.
What is there? Oh, wait.
Alright.
What's there? See the light in the... You're right. To your right. Oh my god, stop here. Yeah, further.
Alright.
You don't see it?
I don't see anything. I think you have better render distance than me. Should I update the render distance? General, video. I think it's max. Render distance max. Wait, where are you going?
To the thing I see.
What's the thing you see? Oh, underwater thing. Maybe there's chest. Check it out. I'll wait here. Why is there spoon on screen? I don't know. It's like some kind of effect. I'm not sure totally what effect, but there is something happening here.
Oh, I'm drowning.
Bro, what the flip? Come on. Come on. Okay, this is just island. I think we go Mushroom Island, not gonna lie. I think they have caves in Mushroom Island.
No, I don't think so.
And we can have infinite
This
soup.
run is going very bad.
Bro, we can try one run with we have infinite food. Right? Why didn't you go to underwater temple? I think we're not equipped enough for it, right? I only got stone sword and stone pickaxe and stone axe. Yeah, this has to be it, Matti. Yes, but Haldon will die of hunger. You mean hungry? I might die out of hunger, not gonna lie.
Hungry.
Baby Martin, what's up? I think you're just cowards. Come on! Why you tell me I'm coward? Come on. What the flippity? What the flippity, man? Whoa, what is it in sky? What is this in sky? What is
Moon.
This? No. Matti.
Yes.
Matti. Straight ahead in the sky.
It's a ship. Shipwreck.
It's a shipwreck in sky.
Okay, let's go there.
But why is there spawned in sky? It must be a glitch. Also, ice world over there.
Of course it's a glitch. It's a shipwreck.
And how the flip we get there?
With the build up. Wait here, stop here.
And how exactly do we do that? Shipwreck. Wait.
Oh, there's a ship also here.
Wait, down.
Yeah, there's one half of a ship.
Interesting. Maybe the chest is in there, then we don't need to go up there. Oh, I'm about to die. I'm gonna die. I forgot. Oh my god. Oh my god. Holy guac. Oh my god. Ah! Okay. Close call. We're good. How is it up there, Matti? Did you find something?
I'm checking it out.
Don't die. I'm trying not to die, chat.
Oh, there are zombies there. Wait.
Yeah, kill him. Tragically, kill him. Make them die, bro. Oh, there is something over there also.
Oh, there's chest there. Nice.
Okay. What do you get from chest?
Yeah, wait, I have to kill the zombies.
Yeah. I'm chilling. I'll check the Mushroom Island.
Yeah, you do that, Adam.
Very good. Halldór is pro at dying in
I
like
get
every video game.
TNT.
Come on.
Protection, 2 leather boots, TNT, and potatoes.
Alright.
Wow, not
That's something.
Good.
I mean, it's something, right?
Yeah, better than nothing.
Better than getting nothing, that's true. Alright, we got mushrooms. I can milk the mushroom cows, I need to find them. Yeah, Matti, there are I think no mobs spawn on Mushroom Island. Which is very good. I think that's true, right? Oh my god, we got coal! Let's go. Yeah, Matti, there's no mobs on Mushroom Island. Come on.
Yeah, perfect.
That's perfect for me.
Oh wow, nice. I found a good island.
Oh my god, water.
Come to this island.
Alright. I think I'm gonna have to make a mushroom soup first. How do I make... Okay, I need one of this and one of the other. Okay.
You need to create a bucket.
Yeah. Wait. How can I get mushrooms? Can I get the other mushrooms also? Do you only have this mushroom? I need your mushrooms, thank you. Mushroom, nom nom nom. I eat. I eat you, I say, I eat you. Oh, I need the red mushroom. Where are you, red mushroom?
Bro, this is a slow burner.
Yeah, there is nothing happening.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Oh, I found mushroom.
I have food, so I'm gonna continue with my journey.
Right. Wait. Nom. Oh my god.
You can just kill the fish in the sea, Halldór.
Mushroom soups are crazy. They give you so much health.
Okay, you stack up on mushroom soups then.
Alright. Stack up on mushroom soups, that's my mission. Alright. W stew, yes sir. Also, I feel very safe on the island because no mobs spawn on Mushroom Island.
I found a very good island.
Alright. I'll check it out after some time. I'm gonna see if I find iron here. That would be a dream.
Of course you will not find iron, what do you mean?
Does no iron spawn on Mushroom Island?
I don't think so.
I got coal here. Interesting. No mushroom cave! Give me mushroom cave. Come on. Wait. Oh my god, I found mushroom cave! Holy guacamole! Mushroom cave in the big 26, let's go! Ah, wait. I'm just mining. Okay, I'll come to you, I think. god, W cave.
Yeah, it's day, so we're safe to go there.
Yeah. Let me see if I find something rare on Mushroom Cave.
Bro, you're taking too long time on this mushroom.
I found iron on Mushroom Land. Wait. Oh, I need to breathe. Oh my god. It's only in water, Matti. That's the problem.
Alright, I'm continuing. You just join if you feel like it.
Alright. Oh my god, see, I can make stew, I think. Oh my god, let's go! Bro, infinite soups. I'm not even kidding. Okay, how many soups you want, Matti? I cannot...
Just you choose.
Holy guacamole, this is amazing!
I'm dead.
Are you serious?
Well, let's start.
Oh my god. I was on Mushroom Island.
Bro, stop this mushroom.
I can't believe it! Yeah, chat is not so happy with you. By the way.
Sorry about that.
I'm sorry.
We have to continue.
Yes, sir.
This was an ass seat.
Matti, what the hell, they say?
Yeah, there was a zombie on like some fish or something that came behind me.
Alright. All this work for nothing. As usual. Holy guacamole, Matti! Come on!
What?
New biome in Minecraft. Come here.
Yeah, wait.
Black and white biome, Matti.
What the hell?
Never seen this biome, bro. What is this?
What the hell?
Don't blame Matti.
What?
Don't blame the seed, Matti, they say. You're blaming the seed, Matti. Come on.
Yeah,
Wait.
it's an ass seed. There was nothing in the seed, guys.
This is so cool wood. This is literally the coolest. White, bro. This is so interesting. Chat, have you seen this biome before? I've never seen. Never seen this in my life, bro. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. It's so weird. Interesting.
Okay, I think we should just get started.
Yeah, I'm getting out. I'm walking through the biome. Oh my god, zombie, no. I will not be your friend. Because you will betray me and kill me. Alright, pig, die. Alright. Thank you. I'll just start with getting all the stones I need. Let's get this party started. Zombie go, bruh. That's so true. I'll get a couple of stonies. And we should be good to go, not gonna lie.
Okay, perfect. I think we should not just hang around. I think we should just get started and go to cave.
Alright.
If we're ever gonna beat this game, we have to get it going.
Yeah, I got equipments.
Yeah, me too.
Nice.
Oh, nice. I have enough for one pet.
Very good. Very, very good. Ah! Stupid. An axe. I want axe. Thank you. Alright. So cinematic music.
Oh, coal. Perfect. Perfect.
Wait,
perfect,
you are
perfect.
where?
That's fun.
Alright, I'll go back. I'll get some wood actually while I'm here. Rare wood, chat, rare wood. You want this? 10
bro, I'm
bucks
stuck
and
in
they
snow, bro.
get too close, but one of them dies. What? What does that mean?
Huh? Oh, that we get close to winning, but then we die.
Oh yes. I feel like that's always like that, you know?
Oh, bro, the snow
Skelly.
biome is hard.
Yeah, this is not it.
Oh, bro, okay, let's go here this direction.
Oh my god, donkey, what's up? What's up, dog? Tiny donkey, what's up? Nice to meet you, I'm Halfdan. Nice to see you. Mwah. Right.
Okay, let's go here. Let's go here. Oh, bro, I fell into a cave.
Nice. I'm
Maybe
coming
that's
for
what exactly what we want.
That's exactly what we need, Matti. That's perfect. Blip, blop, blip, blop,
There's
blop.
cave here that I fell into.
Where?
Here. Oh, it's not a good cave. It's not a good cave.
Alright. And we just keep on going, right?
Yeah. Just kill all the animals you see.
Alright. I'ma see if I find cave. I'll let you know. Does anyone have beside instrumental? I will make Norwegian cover. Oh yes, we were gonna upload the instrumentals. Flip flop, flip flop, flop, flip flop, flip flop.
Where are you going this direction? Bro, you're just walking a circle. Come here.
I found lava. And I found sheep. And he died. Sorry.
I think I have 5 wool, so it's the last wool, so we can create 2 beds.
Nice, perfect.
Hold on, why are you walking in a circle? No, come.
I'm not walking in circle, what do you mean?
Yes, you are.
What?
Come this direction.
What direction? Oh, okay. You want to go to jungle?
No, there's a cave here.
Oh, okay, nice. Very good. Nice. Nice, Matti, nice! Come on. Bring it on, cave, bring it on. Be a good one for me.
Oh, wait.
Ah, Skelly, Skelly. Coal. Very good. I'll make torch. I can see. I'll do this. I'll do these. Aha. Oh, I can do this. Wait, no, I cannot. Cannot. Okay, alright. Oh, there's a creeper. Alright.
Oh, wait, there's more cave here, down here.
Wait.
Oh, yeah, come here.
Oh my god, skeleton. I will not want to be your friend. No. I just want the coal. Thank you very much. Oh, Skelly following me. Alright, wait. Bro, Skelly follow me all the way from there. What is this? I'm not that important, I swear to God, bro. I swear to God. There you go. There you go. Alright, I'll do this. I do this.
Is there anything down here? What's this water?
Alright. Hello EU. What? EU is in chat. We're so back. Oh my god. Everyone, when EU joins the chat. Oh my god, it's EU. Yes. What the hell? EU, man. What are you doing? Oh my god. Oh my god, creeper, you. Nice. Interesting. What do we have here? Okay, I probably need food. I probably should. Wait. Yes. Give me food. Thank you very much, Mr. Furnace. did a good job. Almost at 100k. I know, Ja. We're so close.
Kom hér, go there, boom, boom, boom. Okay, we don't have a lot of food source, so we just have to be careful.
I got nothing, bro. I literally got nothing. Do you have any iron?
No.
Alright. Then we'll just have to make it work.
Okay, go here,
Okay, I'm coming.
boom.
Wait, was there something down there?
No, go up. There's
No,
something
there
up
is
here.
There is here. Cave going down.
Okay.
I think we need cave going down, not gonna lie. Bruh, I hear zombie. He go bruh. WEU everyone. What's up? Alright, wait. Wait. Give me that goddamn coal, or I will end your life, Mr. Cave. And you will not be so happy then. Oh no. Locked in. You know how it is.
Do you have any food?
One singular pork chop.
Bro, that's very bad.
Yes. I agree. But I got a lot of coal.
Do you want to go up and get some food before we go further down?
I can go mine, you can get food. We have to split up.
No, I'm not gonna go get food. Oh. Bro,
Alright.
I'm in a good cave.
Me too. I think we'll have to split up then. Oh my god, you're probably in the same cave I am. I think so.
Why do you think so?
Because I'm also in good cave, and we were in same cave system. I just got the feeling, you know? Alright, you have to go soon. No! Wait.
Okay.
Okay, I will find you. Yeah, where?
I'm coming to you.
Okay, you come to me, nice. Was it not good cave you were in?
Yeah, very good cave, but
okay, I'll
you
come.
You just wanted to split up. No, I'm here.
I just feel like this one has a lot of potential, you know. He's also very like tight, which is good, I think. Alright. Let's see. Give me some of that iron! Iron or Diron? There you go.
Iron or die young?
Either get iron or die young. I will choose iron. Personally, but that's just my personal opinion. Oh my god, found iron. Well done.
Okay, I have 3 iron.
Wait, I'ma get some blocks ready. Blip. No lava died today. Oh no. Okay, there is not much here. It's not that very good cave, actually.
Bro, you insisted on going this one.
I just thought it had potential. I don't know what to say.
Bro, you're just going in a circle.
I don't know. I don't know
here?
What to say.
Here.
Found an opening. Very good.
Oh, bro. Why did you split up again?
No, I'm here. We have not split up yet. Yo, that's deep, bro. That's deep. That's a deep one. There's some iron over there. Okay. Down there's iron. Oh! Almost died. Yeah, let's check it. Oh my god, there's lots of stuff here. There's iron down there also. Iron here also? Yes, iron here also. Damn. I feel like this is the one. This is the run, chat. This is the run.
No, I think we might die of starvation.
Not if we find zombies. They got rotten flesh for us.
Bro, this is a very good place. Come where I am.
Okay. I'm coming. I also found a very good opening over there, but like...
Gold, perfect.
Wait, did you go down here? No, wait, where are you? No, wait.
More iron. Okay, this is diamond level, I think.
Oh my god, so much iron, Matti!
Yeah, take it.
Yeah, I have to be careful. I'm gonna make shield actually first.
Yeah, do that.
I think. Ah! Holy guacamole!
Dead.
I'm so cooked. Wait. Wait. Oh my god, that was close. I almost died. Woo, baby! Oh my god, that was close, chat. Hold on, no, yeah, I'm staying alive, chat. Staying alive, don't worry. I'm gonna smelt up some iron real quick. Oh, that was close. Oh my god. You might need a shield, yes. That is exactly my plan. You know how I think, chat. Wait. Oh my god, one more plate. Just make everything. Boom! Boom! I use my last food and then I sit real healthy. Om nom nom.
I have 4 cooked mutton and 1 cooked chicken.
Okay. We can probably make it work.
Yeah. I hope you cooked your food before you ate it.
Yeah. I cooked. Ba. I'm so ready. If anybody comes, I'd be like, bruh. You die. Oh, staying alive. Oh, yes. Yes. Vibe never die. You know this. Fun fact of the day. Alright.
Where are you?
I'm down in some cave. But there's a lot of iron. Oh my god, zombie with skelly, live reaction. Let me get some iron while I watch. Om nom nom. Oh my god. Bye bye. Zombie versus iron. Wait.
It's a zombie versus iron.
Oh, I meant zombie versus skelly. That's what I mean. Oh my god, I should make iron pickaxe. I'm stupid. Wait, where is the iron? Wait, where is my smelter? It's here, still, I think. Yes. I'll make iron pickaxe. Wait, first I need to make a little bit of this. And then I do this. And I do this. And voila! Nice. Wait. Let me check one thing. Oh shit, wait.
Where are you?
You left the iron. Yeah. I'm going back. I'm in cave. I'm coming to find you, actually. There's iron here I still need to get. There was one place which had a lot of iron, but...
We're here. We're in the same cave.
Nice. Very good, actually. Nom nom. Wait. Brr. Okay. This is the run, chat. This is the run. Sometimes you just feel it. Oh my god. Holy iron. Die, bro. Die. There you go. And we got food. Let's go. Bro, it would be crazy if we could cook rotten flesh. To make it not rotten.
Yeah, turn it to normal flesh.
Yeah, just regular flesh, not rotten. If you kill zombie, you get rotten flesh, but if you kill human, you get nothing. Why don't you get like flesh?
Human flesh.
Yeah, human flesh. Normal flesh. You seem a little distracted. What, me? Oh my god, iron, holy iron, holy iron! Okay, we got some iron here. Do you have enough iron to make yourself an outfit?
Yeah, I have half an outfit right now.
Okay, nice. I'll probably
I have enough.
start cooking my outfit, getting it ready for the big day. I'll see if I can find more iron while I smelt. Iron! Iron! Let's go! Let's go! Yeah, you should be able to
Diamond!
Holy guacamole, Matti, I love you so much. You truly are the GOAT. I've been saying this, bro. I feel
Bro,
like people are finally
doing?
catching on. People are catching on.
Where are you, Hadan?
I'm smelting iron, getting outfit, and that's about it, yes. Iron! Ah!
Bro, why are you still excited about iron? You have so much iron.
Every iron counts, Matti, every iron counts. Chat, you know this. Yeah, chat's going crazy for the diamond. Can't wait to see it with my own eyes.
I feel like I'm on a solo run.
Yeah, me too, kinda. We have to get together. I'll get full iron outfit and then I come to you and we work together.
You're taking too long doing this iron stuff. I don't even need full iron.
It will be value, I swear.
Maybe.
I think so. See, let me try.
I just say go forward with the butter.
Forward with the butter. I agree, Matti, I agree. That much we can agree on. Zombie somewhere. I heard brød noise. Iron! Iron! Ah! Ah! Oh, wait. I want... Oh, alright. I'm so hungry for iron today. I'm getting
nice,
so much
good.
well fed.
This looks
Yeah, let's
promising.
take the gold. That's value. Gold, baby, gold. Baby, give me the gold. Iron! Iron! Ah! Iron!
How much iron does one man need?
Every iron I can get.
Oh, wait, is this like the Varden place?
Oh my god, you found the Varden!
Yeah, I think so.
Holy guacamole, I'm so coming for you, bro.
I'm not gonna go down there though. Warden kills you like one shot.
Yeah. Not value. We're just trying to get Dragon. Warden later. After Dragon, we get Warden maybe. Wait, where? Yeah, here it is. Alright. I'm cooking hard today. Let's do this and this. Put this here. More gold, damn. Sure, why not? Oh my god, Skelly! Zombie! Okay, I don't want to meet you anymore. Wait. Okay, I'm coming, Matti!
You don't want to meet me?
No, I was talking about the zombie, sorry. Wait. Let's do short. I think that. Ah! Sorry. Got attacked. Don't mind me.
You're so dead though.
No. We're good. We're still living. We're still living good, bro. We're still living good. I was just trying to craft me some things. You know?
Bro, you're just wasting time doing something.
No. It's not something, it's value. Okay? I'm coming for you now. Okay? Capiche? Oh wait. I can do iron in this. Iron axe, let's go. Nom nom. Alright. Let's wait for this to finish and I'm coming for you then. Do you have any food?
Little bit.
Will you do meat and greet
But the
and talk?
music
Yes.
is...
Chat, do you think it's
The
value
music
to
is
eat the
very
rotten flesh?
scary.
What do you think? Should I eat rotten flesh
more
or not eat
rotten.
rotten flesh?
Oh,
Yes,
holy
eat rotten
guacamole, I see the Warden.
No
Oh, it's
way!
not the Warden. Wait, what is this? Is it from the Warden? Wait, who is this? What is this?
I'm so coming, bro. If you have no food, you can eat rotten flesh. Alright. Matti, you know that? You hear that?
Yeah.
So we can farm zombies. It's not the worst thing.
Ah, I'm so scared.
I'm coming. I see you. Nice. Alright. Full iron suit. Full iron everything. I'm so ready to go to cave. Where did you go down? Okay, I'll just follow your name tag and see what happens.
Bro, I've been mining for so long. I don't know where I went.
I think I'm going another direction that you went. Ah! Alright. Oh, blip, flop. Alright. Still good. Wait. I wanna go down same direction as you go. Did you go down here? Oh yes, you did go down here. Alright. Let me get some blocks in.
I think there's nothing of value there though.
Oh my god, I see you, Matti, I see you. Hello. Holy guacamole! You were right, it's the Warden place. That's actually crazy. Alright. I'll go jump in water. Woo! Could have ended badly. If you shoot zombie, let me know. I want to kill.
You want my rotten flesh? I have some.
Sure. Oh yeah, you have to sneak around on these blocks, or else you will die. Oh my god, it's been so long, Matti. How have you been? Nice to see you again.
Wait.
We're gonna map this place out, Matti. And get $1 billion.
Wait.
Oh my god.
Bro, I hear the warden scream.
Yeah. Oh no!
Oh my god. Did you also get like effect?
Yes.
Okay, let's leave.
No. We want to explore.
Only
Oh my god, this is the Warden home! Matti!
Leave. Yes!
You have to sneak. He can only... He finds you through... noise. Holy guacamole, this is scary!
Bro, I finished all my torches.
Okay.
Where are you? Come here.
Yeah. I'm not getting anywhere near that place, bro. Holy guacamole, iron!
Where are you?
I see your name.
Come here. Let's get up.
Yes.
Hold on.
Yes.
Come.
Do you have diamond pickaxe?
No, we have 1 diamond, hold on.
Oh. Okay, watch out. Oh, sneak. On these blocks you have to sneak, or else one will find you and kill you.
Okay.
And
Come
you'll never
here.
have any family. Wait, zombie. I might need to kill for food. And my torch again.
Hold on, we have to...
Nothing here.
Yeah, I don't have any torches. Okay.
What is happening? Okay, come on.
I don't see anything.
Yeah, this way up. Okay, lava. Okay, I'll mine here.
What are you doing? Create a staircase. What are you doing?
Holy guac, Matti.
We're
It's
so
not
close,
the
we're so
way
close.
we end this run. We're not gonna be killed by the Warden. You're not even Ender Dragon. They are cooked. Come on, no, we're not cooked. Oh my god, redstone, thank you. We really needed this. I did not need. Oh my god, bro.
Come on.
Yeah, I'm mining as fast as I can.
We just need 1 more diamond. Oh!
Shh! Be careful. Don't make a single sound, Matti. Okay, here. Okay, we're good. Keep on going. Shush. This scary movie. I know, chat. I'm literally scared. Oh my god.
Bro, the Warden.
That mother flipper, bro. Okay. We're back to normal stone. Yeah, now I hear only zombies. I think we have escaped the Warden. Oof.
We nearly died.
Oh my god, yes we did. That was scary, bro.
By the warden, bro.
Wait, I'ma eat real quick. I got 2 rotten flesh.
Let's go up, get some food.
We need to find the diamonds though.
Yeah. I think we need to find diamonds.
I mean, we have rotten flesh, bro. Oh, we're here. It's our cave. We've been here. Iron! Holy guacamole!
Oh, hold on, we don't need so much iron. You're like acting like we don't have any iron.
I mean, you always want more, right?
Is there any coal here?
Give me
Or
more
do you have any
torches.
torches you can give me?
I have 7 torches. I can make more. Wait,
How much can you make?
let's see.
Ah, I can find coal here.
I made 1 stack and 11. You can take half a stack.
1 stack and 11.
Yep, that's true. Grab the coal though. Grab the coal though. You can never have enough of coal. I personally think we should just go find the rest of the diamonds.
Alright.
We can always eat rotten flesh. Brr. Georg feel very good. Yes, sir. Alright. Bro, the iron just keeps on appearing.
Bro, we don't need so much iron.
Yes, we need, Matti. We always need.
For what?
I don't know. We just need, I think. Wait. Chat, what was the best coordinates for diamond spawns again?
Diamond.
Can you remind me?
We have 1 diamond, 1 singular diamond.
You either die a hero or live long enough to mine iron.
Hmm?
I don't know. Thought it
What
made
does that
sense.
supposed to mean?
I just thought it made sense. I don't know.
Barely.
Alright. Fair enough. Up! Up a boy. Where is the skelly? Upstairs. Oh. Interesting. Skelly on top, skelly on top, skelly on top. Be careful. Alright. Almost died. But somehow survived. Creeper. Coal. Where is Creeper? Oh man.
Okay. What's the diamond level?
Oh yeah, chat, I forgot. Minus 54. Minus 54. According to our chat.
I'm okay thinking about just strip mining.
Yeah, do it.
What does chat think about that?
Chat should we strip mine, find the rest of the
Oh my
diamonds.
god. I fell into another cave.
Interesting. I'm only at level 10, you know. I need zombies for food.
Okay, I'm just gonna take this.
Yeah.
I was cool.
Explode, bro.
Explode.
Creeper. Nice. Yeah, this is Halfdan's point of view, chat. getting kinda low on health. Oh my god, zombies. Thank you. Zombie villagers.
Are you low on health?
Bro, these guys saved my day. Thank you. I can regen now.
Hold on, join me. Come where I am.
Bro, there are so many zombies here. Okay.
Oh, it's the same place we already been. Perfect. Not.
I am in a new section we've never been to.
Oh, it's a mine.
Yeah. It's a mine, a big one.
Okay, I'll come. Where are you? Where the heck are you?
Do I stay
Where
with
the
just
heck?
coordinates or how does it work?
Oh wait.
I'm in a good mine. I can tell you that. It's a huge one. Yeah,
Wait,
here you
I'm
are.
underneath you.
Yeah, I see you, I see you, I see you.
You see me?
Yeah, I see your name tag.
Bro, it's the same mine we already been to.
No. No torches, all unexplored. Wow. It goes deep, bro. Don't look at Enderman yet.
Bro, where the hell are you?
Just mine up.
What the fucky?
I might need to come to you then.
Oh wait, coal.
Ah!
Need that.
Wait. Scary. I see your name tag, man. I see your name tag.
Yeah, likewise.
Oh my god. Okay, I'll mine also towards you then. I'm mining just towards you, man. Here you are. Come on. Mate, look up.
Yeah, I'm coming.
Gonna create
Oh yeah, you're here.
a brand new iron pickaxe for me. Wait, first I need this. And use the rest for torch. Alright.
Oh, hold on, no, I was crafting.
Oh yeah, sorry.
Creeper behind you.
Ah!
Okay, put it down again.
I got you. Iron done, new ship just dropped. What do you mean?
Okay, you can take the crafting table.
Alright.
Bro, how much iron do we need?
I don't know. Maybe not enough.
I have like 1 stack.
Yeah, alright. You probably don't need more. Give me food, thank you. This is it, Matti. This is where we're gonna get the last diamonds. This is it. Oh my god. Time to lock in. Matti, okay, let's go together. Where are you?
You see my name tag probably?
Yeah, I see it. Okay.
I'm in a good place. Looks promising.
Yes. You think this direction is not it?
Huh? I think it doesn't matter really what direction.
Oh my god, there's
going
witch
into.
over there. I do not want to face that one. I'll just
No.
kill it with bow.
Oh wow, nice.
Okay, I was not meant to be archer. I was not meant to. I'm sorry. This is just embarrassing. Actually, I'll have it here just in case. Alright, I'm coming. Bruh. Wow. Interesting cave. Let's go, let's go, let's go! Come on, come on, come on!
Oh, wow, nice. I found another big place.
Very good. Just
Coal above you. Yeah, take it, take it.
Coal above me, take it, alright. Where?
There?
Ah!
Oh, sorry. I was doing this.
Oh, okay. Wait. Do we need that one singular coal? Alright.
Yep, every coal counts. When we're at this level, you can't find coal.
Alright. Oh my god, so much coal.
Okay, we could either go down here or just... Wait, this is probably
I'm gonna
bad.
mine all the coal, bro. No worries. We're getting so rich, I swear.
Ah, creeper!
Where?
Just where I am.
Ah.
Oh, far.
Ah, man. Oh, wait, you're way down there.
The Vartan thing.
Yeah, come on up.
It's all here too. Oh, no.
Okay, wait.
Why can't you just find
We're
one
at level
single
10
diamond,
now.
bro?
We need to go way down.
Huh?
We're only at level 10 now, you know.
Bro, as further you go, you have to go more up, you mean?
Yes.
Alright. What level do we need to be on?
Oh, Matti, Rúnar is...
Yeah.
Wait.
Okay, let's put... Oh my god, I'm getting killed.
No, you're good.
Wait, is the meeting now?
I think so. It was supposed to be.
If so, then we just do a pause screen on the stream. It's not difficult.
Wait. Or we could just like do the meeting later.
Yeah, doesn't matter to me.
Wait. Oh, what's up?
Ah!
Yeah.
Oh my god. Oh.
Have to be careful.
Okay.
Have to be careful. Come on
Where
down.
the heli is the... What?
Where the heli is the skelly. I know.
No, it's the dimey.
The dimey.
Ah, zombie, I'm dead. No, I'm not dead.
No, you're not dead, bro. Come on. Just chill. No stress.
This is so scary, guys.
Alright, let's go down.
Minecraft is too scary. It's too scary game. Feel like I'm playing a horror game.
Oh, this is just the Vartan.
Okay. Yeah, let's not go there.
Maybe
wait, what level is it?
We're only at like level 10 or something.
Level? Hmm?
I mean, we need to go to like negative something. Diamonds, baby!
What?
Diamonds, baby! Ding dong, ding dong! Bro, don't die, I just found diamonds. I swear to god, if you die when I just found diamonds, I will literally, like, end it right here on stream. Oh my god. Oh my god, how cute. They're friends.
Oh my god, I'm half a heart.
Just don't die, whatever you do, okay? Very simple. There you go. And then we just do this.
I'm so dead.
No, don't die. I just found diamonds. You don't die when you find diamonds, come on. Oh my god, holy diamond grail! Holy guacamole! Holy guacamole!
If only people could see my screen.
Only if you could see my screen! I got 7 diamonds, Matti!
What?
Yep, in one thing. Holy diamond grail. Oh my god, wait, I need to read some messages here. I'll have to be careful here with my diamonds. Wait, give me 1 sec.
Just just lock inside, you know. room or something.
Alright, wait. Okay. We're so rich, Matti. We can get up now. Okay? Let's go up.
Are you not gonna answer the message we need to answer?
Oh yes, I have to do that actually. Let me hide.
You can say, you choose if you do it now or later.
Yeah, let's do it later. Wait.
Ask him if he can do it later.
Wait.
Okay, I'm so low. I'm about to die, so I will just have to dig myself up. I think that's the best idea. Otherwise, I'm dead.
Alright. Oh my god, scary chat! But we're so back though. Wait.
Okay,
Wait.
we can create diamond swords.
Oh my god, we can do pickaxe and diamond sword.
Or we can do enchantment table.
We can do so many things now. Alright. Let me see.
Okay, I'm doing a tunnel up because I have 4 health
Yeah, smart.
and no food.
I also don't want to lose my diamonds, you know.
Yeah, just go and build yourself like a little house and hide.
Little house and hide. Alright.
And dig up, you know, in the house.
Dig up. I'll just dig up from here. I think that's okay.
Never dig straight up.
Never dig straight up. Everybody knows this. Enchantment table is brick proof. Alright. Very good.
What is it? Enchantment table is?
Brick approved, said someone in chat.
Yeah, the brick guy.
Yes.
Yeah, perfect.
Please help.
Yeah, I say enchantment tables.
Yes. Alright, let's get rid of these. Oh my god, yeah. We're good.
Where are you?
Oh my god, that was scary. Let me eat.
How much health do you have?
I got some health.
Oh, you have food still.
I just got rotten flesh. Little bit.
Yeah.
Little
I
bits
finished
and
all of
pieces, you know. Up. Let's go here. We're getting all the way up, chat. This is the run.
This is the best run so far, at least.
We had a very good one sometime when we got to Nether and stuff.
No, it was ass nether spawn.
Yeah, that's true.
We were stuck somewhere with magma cubes. I think it's nighttime.
Alright. I have 2 wool.
Yeah, I have enough to make a bed, but I don't have wood for it.
I see.
What is the ground level? Does anyone remember?
It's like 60 or something. I don't know.
Oh.
I think.
Then I'm not even close.
I'm almost there. Go to Nether, go to Netherlands. Oh my god. Netherlands. Alright. We're doing very good. Oh my god. Huh. Let's go
Oh
here.
my god. Oh, I almost drowned in gravel.
That would not be
Think
good.
about that.
I'm on my way up. I'm on my way. I feel like I am getting close. I might be in some kind of mountain. I don't know. But I got so many diamonds, so I don't really care.
Oh, at least I got flint.
Oh, let's go. We're so going to the nether, bro.
I hear zombie noises.
My God, bro. All this flint here. For what? Oh my God! I'm literally almost at position 100. That must mean I'm like so
I'm
high.
at 64, 65.
Yeah, I'm at like 93 and I'm still trying to get up.
What? How?
Oh my God.
How is that even possible?
Oh my God, snow! I'm in some. I think I'm literally in a snow mountain. Not gonna lie. Oh, alright. Maybe this. Alright, we're up. God damn! We made it somehow. I recommend not going all the way up right now.
What?
There is nighttime and stuff. I'm gonna
Okay,
do a...
come find me, then we can sleep.
Oh my God. Yes, wait. I'm trying to get rid of stuff. Wait. How do I find you then? Like the mine towards you, or how does it work?
Yeah, just find me.
Are you in the overworld?
No, I'm trying to mine up.
Alright.
You just walk in my direction. You have like the waypointed thing.
Yeah, I'm just thinking because there's so many mobs outside.
Okay, you can just hide.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. That's what I'm thinking. That is what I'm thinking here, Matti. That's what I'm thinking. Alright.
You don't have enough for bed, right?
No. I also created a random chest that I am using to store stuff in.
Okay, I mean, I have made my way up.
Okay. Let's see if it's daytime. It is. No, it's not. What am I saying?
Is it? It's not the thing.
It's still nighttime.
Okay.
I can make of strings. I can make wool. I forgot.
Oh, you can?
Oh, I only have one string. I forgot. Sorry.
Oh.
I can find spiders. Oh my God, there are spiders upstairs. Of course.
Are you literally gonna do that?
Why not?
Okay. Your death day.
One spider. Alright. I only need one more string. Just give me a spider or something. Give me something to work with here. Minecraft gods. Give me something to work with. Alright, no, never mind. I'm gonna hide a little bit. I feel like I feel like this is not working as it should. Oh my God. Carrot I can eat. Let's go.
Lucky bastard.
Oh yes. Oh yes. W spider song. I agree. Alright. Let's see. What do we got over here? Do I see? Oh my God. Alright. I will not go up then. Alright. We'll just keep it like that. Keep it simple. Keep it simple, chat. Keep it simple.
Now we just have to wait until it's daytime.
I'm so sad because I'm like one little string away from creating wool. Maybe I can mine underneath. I might need to create a new iron pickaxe actually. Wait. Is it day? No, it's not. Or maybe it is.
Yeah, it's day.
It's day, chat! Good morning, everybody! We finally made it out of this stupid cave.
Oh my god, I'm too health.
Don't die, bro. Don't do that. I'm very high up, I think. Yeah.
Oh, I'm dead.
No.
I'm dead.
Not like this, not like this, Matti, not like this. Just hide, man. I'm coming for you, okay?
Yeah, find me. I'm in a hole.
Alright.
Oh my god, I'm 1 health.
I made it to the overworld.
There's a skelly.
I'm coming for you.
There's a skelly who came behind me.
Yeah, I'm coming for you. We're in the jungle, by the way. Let me get some wood, actually.
Oh, this was so close. I was gonna die.
Not like this, Matti. Not
just
like
because
this.
of stupid skeleton.
Yeah, we're not gonna die like this. No worries.
We can't.
At least die in the nether or something. Make it more interesting.
Yeah, true.
Oh, wait.
Agree.
Yeah, you were very far away from me, actually. Damn.
Yeah. We split up very good.
Yep. But we have all the diamonds we could ever want. Wow.
Two creepers.
Melons! Free food, baby. Let's go.
Oh my god, I'm 1 health.
Just hide, bro.
Bro, anywhere I go, I just die.
Yeah, don't go anywhere then.
I don't have any food.
Yeah, I'm coming. Matti, you will not believe how many melons I have. You will have food for days. We'll never have to think about food ever again.
I'm literally 1 heart.
And I'm literally almost near you.
Yeah, I see an enter.
Yes, sir. And I'm getting so much food, Matti.
Yeah, I was trying to get the melons when I got attacked again.
I see. Ah, wait. Getting attacked. We're not gonna die. Sorry. And now I run.
Okay. Bring me melons.
Just eat, my friend. Eat! More melons.
2 hearts.
More melons.
Okay, perfect.
Ah, finally see you. Yeah, W safe, chat. Thank you.
Oof. Okay, we need nether. No, we need obsidian.
We need to find lava pool.
That should not be hard.
No, don't think so, actually.
I'm just not gonna come outside with it until I'm full health.
Yeah. Smart. You're a smart guy, Matti. You play this game very smartly. Melons. Up.
I need wood.
Oh, bye zombie. Hello, cat.
Okay, let's find the lava pool.
Yep. Go to this direction. I feel like I always see lava pool in this biome over there. Just a feeling, just a feeling. Come on. Flip flop. Are you
Wait,
following,
where did
by
you
the way?
go? No, I don't know where you went.
Okay.
Okay, I see you. No, I don't see you, but I know where you are.
Very good. Yeah, we're going this direction. We're going to the savannah.
Havana, na, na, na.
Havana, ooh la la. Na 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 na. Savannah, savannah, na. Wee. Little swim. We need to take a little swim. It's not that hard. Up.
Don't get attacked by a water zombie.
Nope, I will not. Oh my god, iron! Let's go.
Bro, we don't need more iron.
I know, it was just in my way, so I might as well mine it. I think. Hello, pig. You die. You die. Oh my god, pig. Die. Sorry, pig. You die. Oh, I don't have enough. Oh my god, I don't need this.
Come here.
Yeah. Let's just find the lava pool on the ground. I think that's okay.
Oh, we maybe should create a bucket and take the water.
There's a village over there also.
Oh, nice. Let's go right that.
Okay, I'm gonna create a bucket then. Wait. Oh, I don't have crafting tables. Wait.
Oh, they might have books, so we
Wait,
can
there's
create
another portal over
enchantment
there. In distance.
Where?
In distance. See chat, over there.
Where?
I see it. Follow me. It's a little bit far away.
You want to go to village first, or?
Oh my god, we're at like 99,000 subscribers. 667.
6-7.
Oh my god. 6-7 still big. Still massive meme. Still massive chat.
Are we gonna go to the village or not?
Let's check it afterwards. We're gonna see if we can create a portal over there. Because we can create diamond pickaxe. So I think we can just create portal from the portal I saw. Oh my god, it's the funniest thing. That's so true. Literally hilarious, chat. Literally hilarious. Wait. Alright. It's somewhere around here. Yeah, it's right here. Nice.
You see it?
Yes. I don't know how I saw it from so far away.
You have a lot of render distance.
I know. It's crazy, bro. It's crazy. Crazy. Oh my god, lava pool also. We're so back.
Oh, nice.
Alright, let's go to the nether here. I'm gonna have to make a crafting table. I'll do this. Don't need this. Switch these around. Little bit of bucket. Take that. Then we go here. Take some waterino. Then we do like this. And just make everything flow. I set everything flow. Yeah, there you go. Very good. Yeah, also that lava over there needs to go. Alright or not, whatever. What's in here? Oh my god, we got flint and steel. We got swords. We got so many stuff. Come on. Where are you?
I'm trying to come to you.
Alright.
You just left without me very far, you know.
Yeah, I see.
Is it up like a mountain? Because I'm climbing a mountain to get you.
No, it's not that mountain.
Oh, interesting.
Wait.
Oh, a lot of coal. We're gonna need the coal.
And now I make diamond pickaxe.
Ah, here it is. Oh, shit.
Oh my god, there's a structure over there. We don't check
Oh,
that out.
pillager thing.
Yeah, don't check that out.
Yeah, no, we don't mess with the pillagers.
Nope. Number one rule, everybody knows. Alright, here we go. I'm gonna eat first. Oh, let's go! Diamond pickaxe, let's go! Oh my god. I feel like I'm getting so much better at Minecraft now.
Yeah, every day is like rehearsal, you know.
That is so true. Ah! Wait. Oh, wait, actually. Just use water bucket. I'm gonna mine this thing all away. I don't want any lava here. In case of any shenanigans. Don't want any lava. Oh. No lava allowed. Come on. Wait, lava underneath? Yes, lava underneath.
Yeah, just put water over it so we have more obsidian.
Yep, we got so much obsidian, bro. Alright, nighttime. Let's sleep right now. Right now. Make beds. Ah.
There's wool in the chest.
Perfect. And we sleep. Oh, we're getting to nether, chat. Oh my god. Alright.
Nice. Where is...
Couple of zombies here, Matti. Just be careful. Very good.
How much netherite? Wait, you just take this down. Take this down.
What?
Red steel, smite one and break.
Yep, we got some loot, bro.
We need to make a bow before we go.
Yes, actually, very smart.
We fumbled that one last time.
Very true, very true.
Do we have any string? Okay, we have string. Not a lot though, but
Remove the crane obsidian. Alright, alright. Oh. Wait. Very good. How many I have? I have 7. That's enough. I remove this one. It's the fake obsidian. We don't want the fake ones. The fake stuff. Bro, why even bother?
what do I need again for arrows? I need the fatberry.
We got some gold. This is useful for nether. Thank you. Alright, let's place these ones over here.
Chicken.
This, and now this, and now this, and
Hold on, get 3 extra obsidian for me.
yes, sir. I got you, bro. I got you.
3 extra.
33.
Then I can create enchantment table and we're good.
Nice.
Bro, there are no chickens here.
Rough, man. That's sad.
If we're gonna get arrows.
Okay, I got some extra obsidian. I'll mine extra, actually. We need a portal
Yeah,
to
mine
go
3
home.
extra.
And yeah, I'm gonna scream if Halton says, Hi, Sania. Hey, Sania. What's up? Hope you scream. Speedrun record. 4 months, I know.
Yeah.
We're not breaking any records today, chat, but we're at least winning.
Oh, we never
also
said we were gonna break any records.
We're also doing hardcore.
Yeah. If we die, we die.
Oh my god, this is so cool. Wait.
Bro, I only have 7 arrows. That's not gonna do a lot.
No. It will
Hold on, give it to me. Give it to me. Give it to me. 3.
Yes.
And 1 diamond, please.
Just take off.
Just 1 diamond. Oh, okay.
Oh, wait.
Don't die. Don't die, please.
I will not. I'ma light the portal. Get it ready. Warm it up. Ooh, baby. Ooh, baby. Ooh, nether, baby. Ooh, yeah.
Okay, there is iron here. I'm gonna create a fresh sword.
Yeah, I'm gonna probably need a new sword also.
Get a fresh sword. And the lapis.
How is my armor doing? Yeah, it's very good actually. Oh my god, we can enchant. Should I enchant the pickaxe? Or
Sharpness 1.
on the sword, enchant sword. Make new
Yeah.
sword enchant. Alright, I get you.
Yeah.
I see where
Sharpness 1.
you're going with this.
Oh, nice. Armor's going good. Armor's doing great.
Yeah, I think I might need to do the chestplate first actually.
Oh, nice. Protection and unbreaking.
What do we have here? Unbreaking, sharpness. It's not looking very good actually. Wait, what does the pickaxe do? Efficiency. I don't know. Do we have any lapis? Let me try.
Yeah, in the chest. In the chest.
Nice. Let's try unbreaking 1. I think we can't. Yeah, alright. That's better than nothing.
Oh, nice. I got feather falling on my boots. That's good.
Protection 2. Alright. Let's do the boots. Let's give me feather falling. Unbreaking. Okay, give me something on my hat. Give me something on my hat. Give me something good. Projectile protection, actually very good. Cause gusts in nether. They be evil.
Feathers.
They be evil sometimes. Fire protection. Yeah, that's actually good. Maybe something for the pickaxe. Efficiency 2. Damn.
Oh, yeah.
Oh no, wait. I need level 8. I don't have. Alright, never mind then.
Get level. Get level.
Is it value? I don't know.
It's gonna be a lot faster, but you know, you choose.
Yeah, no. I just wanna go to nether.
Okay. One very impatient.
Yes, sir.
Impatient.
You know how it is. You know how it is. I just want nether, man. Oh my god, my legs. I need a lot of blocks. I think, if I'm not mistaken, we should be pretty good.
Yep.
Wait, give me all the obsidian you have. I want
yeah,
to
it's
have...
in the chest.
Okay. Is it enough to create portal home?
No.
No, 4. Okay. Let me mine extra. We're so not dying this round. Let's go.
We can't.
There's no way. There's no way we're dying, bro. Where are my Canadian fellas? Any Canadians in chat? Damn. Big up Canada! I'm from Scotland. Let's go! Supposed to be prepared for sleep, but this is more important. It's so important! Because we're winning. Minecraft.
Yeah, we've never done so good in Minecraft.
Never have I ever done this good in Minecraft. Alright, we have enough obsidian, let's go. Go to Nether. Chop chop.
Okay, wait, take the enchantment table and the beds.
Yeah, of course.
If we enter somewhere we don't know.
Yes, smart.
Is anything important in the chest? No, I don't think so.
I got melons to eat.
Oh, block of gold, that's important, and gold.
Oh yeah. Gold, take the gold. Smart.
And the food, everything.
So, and let's take the furnace and coal also. Need that. And
Yeah,
some
we don't have a lot of coal.
Alright.
Oh, I have stack and a half of iron.
Okay, that's more.
Wait, break it in 3, 2, 1, break it. Okay. Do you have any coal?
4. No, wait. 27.
And the wood, hold on. Why are we leaving that?
Yeah, let's take that.
You have the lapis, right?
Yes.
We don't need leather, don't need this, Do we need the fire charge? Maybe if you're attacking a ghast.
Yeah, let's just take it for like, make sure, you know? Oh my god, I'm scared. Oh my god, Gabe is in chat! What's up, Gabe? How you doing?
Oh, wait, I can create 1 arrow more.
Yeah, Gabe is in Vienna, chat.
Yeah, oh yeah, he's right there now.
Okay, Mate, go to Nether. Come on. We cannot.
You already left.
Ha! No. Let's
Oh,
go.
I thought you were left now.
Okay, maybe one should go. Should we go like at the same time?
Yeah, you go.
Okay, interesting spawn. Okay, this is alright spawn, chat. Chat, Nether time! Oh my god, WJ in chat. Oh my god, everything's happening.
Okay, there's a skeleton right there.
Mate, another abandoned portal. There's probably gold.
Be careful, ghast. There's a ghast there.
Okay.
Oh, should we check out in... be careful.
Yeah. Oh, we should have made like...
The ghast.
We should have made...
Oh my god.
Enderman, attacking you.
Oh, I'm dead. Wait, I'm gonna spectate though.
Oh my god, should I try something?
Yeah, try. See what happens.
Alright.
Wait, I can't go in the Nether in the spectate mode.
Not.
What? Best.
See,
Please continue. See what happens.
Alright. I'm so sad, bro.
Yeah, me too. But we just have to live with this, you know?
Okay, I'll try to see if I can make this work here. Maybe there's some good stuff here in the chest, but the skeletons are attacking me. Not really. I just wanna up. Wait. I'm just gonna see if I find a fortress. But then, bro, do you want me to just like... just beat the game or something? I don't know.
Just see what happens.
Alright. Are you watching?
I can't go to the Nether.
You can watch the stream.
Yeah.
Alright. Bro, I saw that Enderman attacking you. I was like, bruh. What is this?
You did not tell me anything until you killed me.
No, because I only saw it when he was starting attacking you, and then you realized. You know?
I catch you.
Oh my god. Yeah, there's nothing here, bro.
Yeah.
I feel like I should go up. Not gonna lie. But it was a pretty alright spawn for the nether portal, not gonna lie.
Yeah, it was.
Let's get up there.
Wait.
I have trauma from being in the Minecraft nether with these two. Yeah, bro. The nether is not our, like, home field, you know?
Yeah, I'm seeing. Yeah, the nether is where we die always.
Yep. Up.
I'm watching the stream.
I should have taken more
Live
blocks.
reaction. Oh, bro. Okay.
I'm coming on tour. Hell yeah. It's so easy to die here. It's so scary. Am I already there?
It's like. What?
Yes, actually I'm already there. Great. Flip, flop, flip, flop, flip, flop, flip, flop. Alright. Just need to find a fortress. Get some blades. Get some ender pearls. You know what it is? Classic Minecraft. Zombie pigments. Wait, are zombie pigments back? I thought they like deleted them. Uh-huh. Will I survive this fall?
Don't do it.
Alright. Yeah, I can walk here. Perfect. Don't watch Enderman, don't look into his eyes. I learned from your mistake, Matti. Did not end well for you.
I didn't even see him, that's the thing.
Yeah, that's true.
I probably, as soon as I spawned in the thing, I think I've been looking in that direction of him.
Wait.
Did you not take my bow?
Let me see. I just picked up some random stuff. I wasn't like very paying much attention. There were skeletons attacking me. What else do I do, man? What else do I do? Come on. Come on, man. Okay, I need the nether things. I think that would be more useful.
Come on, man.
I'm trying my best here. I'm trying my best. Oh, boy. We're still alive, chat. We're still alive. This is the run. Oh my god, he's trying to kill me. I don't care. La la la. Any nether fortress around here? Hello. I don't see any nether fortress here. That would be a dream. That would change my life. That would be an opportunity I cannot refuse. Flip, flop, flip, flop, flip. Oh, and use the diamond pickaxe, of course. Okay, we're good. Come on. Okay. I will lose some health, but it will be worth it. Alright. As long as I don't attack these guys, we're good. Okay, I don't see any fortress yet. This direction or this direction? I got a feeling about this direction for some reason. Just calls to me. Alright. Alright, great. Thank you very much. Killed you. I'm not. Oh. Close call. Oh my god, I can ride these guys, I think. Don't look into Enderman eyes. Number one rule, you know this. Nether fortress gang, where you at? Blippity bloppity, bloppity blippity. We have some biomes. No fortress though. Maybe we go down, keep on walking. The strategy is just to walk, and walk a lot. Let's eat this instead. This has much more value. Matt, are you locking in into my speedrun, or what is happening? Because you died. Up. Matti, can you hear me? Flip flop. I don't think he can hear me, chat. I guess we're alone in this run then.
Hello, 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 hello.
Oh my god, I need gold stuff or else these guys will kill me, I remember.
Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you now.
Oh, okay.
And they're going in for the attack. God damn. I'm scared. I could trade with them though. But I think Nether Fortress first. Okay,
Come
they're not
on.
following me. Yeah, I'm trying my best, Matti. Come on. Up. Close call. Could have ended badly.
Oh,
Yeah, we're doing good. We're doing good. We're doing good.
I'm seeing everything on delay.
Yeah.
That's the thing.
Hoppa boy. Eat a little. Keep on walking. Lock the brick in, Houghton. I'm trying. I swear to goddamn God. I'm trying as much as I can. But not much I can do, man. Just looking for fortress.
Well, hello, chat.
You can talk to chat, Matti. You can lock in with the chat.
Okay, maybe go.
This direction, maybe?
Yeah, I think just time will tell. Time will tell.
Yeah, honestly.
Time will tell. Time will tell. Okay, come on. Find the goddamn fortress. Is it? No, it's not the fortress. Oh.
No, I don't think so. Wait.
It's so hard seeing everything on delay.
Yeah.
And I don't know what's going on.
Not
Until like 30 seconds afterwards.
Yeah. I need more blocks. Give me those blocks.
Bro, you're in the nether, bro.
Yeah. Surrounded by blocks, I know. We're locking in.
Come on, man.
Beating Minecraft.
Come on.
Okay. Oh.
Come on.
Ah! Scary. Flippity flop. Flippity
Come
flop.
on.
Yeah. We're just up. I feel like the Nether Fortress is just around the corner. I can feel it. Oh. No me burning today. Oh no. Wait, there is something here. Oh. Up. Alright. Alright. Well, this is interesting, isn't it? Ah! It wasn't meant to be. It wasn't meant to be. It wasn't meant to be. I swear to God.
God damn it.
God damn it. Wait, how long has this stream been?
Wait, can I see? I don't know. 2 hours.
Yeah. I think it was end here. God damn, we almost made it.
220 subscribers though. No, 320.
Hell yeah! Almost at 100k!
Almost 100k, guys.
I wanna get that goddamn play button. Alright. Thank you guys for watching video. Appreciate you guys. GG's.
See you next stream.
Hell yeah. Appreciate you guys. Peace, love, and